In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Waze with Lyft. If you drive with Lyft and prefer Waze for navigation, setting it up is usually quick and straightforward. Once it's connected properly, Lyft can hand off directions to Waze whenever you need to head to a pickup or drive a passenger to their destination. This can be helpful if you like Waze's live traffic updates, route suggestions, and turn-by-turn guidance. To get started, make sure Waze is installed on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, open the App Store on iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android, search for Waze, and install the app. It's a good idea to let the installation finish completely before moving on, so the app is ready to open when Lyft needs it. Next, open the Lyft Driver app and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. From there, go to your account area by tapping your profile picture or the menu icon, then open Settings. Inside Settings, look for a section called Navigation or Navigation Apps. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your device or app version, but it should be the area where Lyft lets you choose how directions are handled. Once you find that section, select Waze as your preferred navigation app. If Lyft asks for permission to open Waze when navigation is needed, make sure to allow it. That permission is important because without it, Lyft may not be able to automatically send route information over to Waze. After that, you're ready to use the setup during an active shift. Go online in the Lyft Driver app and accept a ride request as you normally would. When it's time to head to the pickup location or begin driving to the rider's destination, tap Navigate inside the Lyft Driver app. At that point, the route should automatically open in Waze. From there, simply follow the turn-by-turn directions in Waze while continuing to manage the trip itself in the Lyft Driver app. In other words, Waze handles the navigation, and Lyft remains the app where you accept rides, track trip progress, and complete the ride. If the route doesn't open right away, double check that Waze is still selected in Lyft's navigation settings and that both apps are updated to their latest versions. It also helps to keep location permissions enabled so both apps can work smoothly together. That's all it takes to use Waze with Lyft. Once it's set up, your navigation process can feel much more seamless on the road.